How does the human brain experience romantic love? Very interesting, right? Actually, the human brain is very significant. It experiences romantic love the way it experiences something that it likes. For instance, when you eat food that you like or that you desire, when you touch something that you like, the human brain experiences a romantic love the same way. And that's why it is very, very important for us as human beings that we go to somebody who loves us, that we have somebody who cares for us. And that's why, in many ways, people do not know. For instance, let's try a few psychological tricks. Did you know that when someone who loves you, when you see someone who loves you and whom you love, you experience a wholeness in yourself? Did you know that saying the name of the person that you love makes you happy? Did you know that looking at the person that you love cheers you up? Did you know that when you talk to someone that you love, it makes you feel so good? When you hug them, when they give you a touch, in public or in private. Romantic love is very important. So let's ask ourselves, what kind of love can we experience in our lives? And let's start with the most basic of them all, the romantic love. How can you experience romantic love? You experience romantic love by loving the person you love, by spending time with them. Time spent with the person you love is gained. Those people who do swimming and who do exercises will tell you that they experience the love of the same intensity as when they spend time with the person they love. So the person you love is very important. The time you spend there with them, the smiling, the sharing of one or two things, reading stories together, watching a movie together, walking together, driving together, being in the same place together. It doesn't have to be expensive. Even cooking a meal together. By the way, you don't have to be cooking the meal. You just start there. Now, another way that you experience romantic love, another kind of love, is the most important love of our time, parental love. Parental love is very symbolic. A parent's love is unique. It's unique in that it is natural and it flows. And when a child looks at a parent, when the parent looks at the child, they smile. That's why the love of a mother is unique. When the mother smiles at the child smiles back. When the child smiles at the mother smiles back. Take a tip here. Even when your parents are old or sick, I want you to go and look at them, then you smile at them, and you see the response. The face smiles, it shines, because parental love is very important. That's why during the holidays, or whenever we have an opportunity, we go to see our parents, because parental love is very important. Another very important love, while we are at it, is the love for nature. Nature is so nurtured or given that it makes it very nice when you look at nature. Let's try a few things. Look at the setting or the rising of the sun. Especially if you come from the tropical areas, when the sun is rising and you just look at it. It's beautiful. The setting of the sun. One of the best scenes, of course, is when the sun is setting and then there is the water and it goes down, Very, very nice. Look at the trees. One way you can make your life very nice is to just admire trees and flowers. Of course, the rose flower is the rose of the romantic part of it. But look at the river itself. Look at an ocean. Look at the hills and the valleys. Look at the stars. Look at the clouds. Remember the smell of rain? Beautiful. You smell the rain and you're like, there we are. Nature is beautiful. Another love that is very important is also our love for friends. Friends, yes. Who is a friend? A friend is somebody whom you are close to in your heart. Remember, romantic love is about closeness. It's about getting close to somebody whom you love. That's why you start with your parent, of course, and your child. You go to your partner. We go to nature. We go also to your friend. A friend is someone you feel close to. And there is the synergy that you share between you and the person you love. And it happens with friends. When you're with your friend, you feel it. When you sit together, you feel it. When you chat, you feel the energy. It flows naturally and into you. Lastly, there is also the love we have for strangers and those who we love. Oh, yes. When you look at the people you meet and you're like, there is a spontaneous bond between us, and I can feel it. And you feel this is a person you want to be close to, and you feel this, you want to bond with this person. You feel this person is a part of you. You feel like you've been together. That's very nice for a stranger. But also, by the way, while you are at it, you can also love pets. There are people who love a pet. There are several types of pets you can have, by the way. You can have a dog. Those of you like dogs, a cat. By the way, nobody should fix for you what you'd like. You might also love a parrot. For those of us who come from the African part of the world, we may not suggest a snake because we have a bad omen with a snake, and certainly not a crocodile. But some people have also kept pets, lions as pets, tigers as pets. Horses are very good pets. There are people who keep cows and goats as pets. So a pet is an animal that you keep. Most important of all, remember, like when you keep a dog, for instance, and you have children, it's also an animal. So you have to be very careful so that it doesn't, of course, injure the child. So you must make sure that there's a way they interact. But loving a pet is very nice. Take a walk with a dog. Beautiful. Even when you touch it, it's beautiful. Take the love of a cat. It's smooth and so nice. But it doesn't replace any of the other types of loves. That's why I want us to end with one more love. Our love for God. God loves us. So 7 types of love that you should think about and see whether you incorporate them in your life. The love for God, the love for yourself, the love for your romantic partner, the love for your parents, the love for your children, the love for your friends, the love for your work, the love for pets, the love for nature, and above all, even the love for other people, even if they are strangers. Because at the end of the day, we are human beings. We must laugh.